Bioelectric potentials. As a consequence of the chemical activity in the nerves and muscles of the body, a variety of electrical signals are generated. For example, the heart and brain produce characteristic patterns of voltage variation. Bioelectric potentials are generated at the cellular level. That is, each cell is a minute voltage generator. Because positive and negative ions tend to concentrate unequally inside and outside of the cell wall, a potential difference is established and the cell becomes a tiny biological battery. In the normal resting state of the cell, its interior is negative with respect to the outside. When the cell fires, the outside of the cell becomes momentarily negative with respect to the inside. A short time later, the cell regains the normal state in which the inside is again negative with respect to the outside. This discharging and recharging of the cell is known as depolarization and repolarization. This produces the voltage waveforms of interest to the biomedical engineer. The table shows various bioelectric signals such as electrocardiogram, ECG, electroencephalogram, EEG, electromyograph, EMG, electrogastrogram, EGG, electroretinogram, ERG, electrooculogram, EOG. Their frequency and voltage picked up by the respective electrodes. Electrocardiogram (ECG) records the electrical signal from your heart to check for different heart conditions. Electrodes are placed on your chest to record your heart's electrical signal, which cause your heart to beat. The signals are shown as waves on an attached computer monitor or printer. An electroencephalogram (EEG) is a test used to evaluate the electrical activity in the brain. Brain cells communicate with each other through electrical impulses. An EEG can be used to help detect potential problems associated with this activity. An EEG tracks and records brainwave patterns. Electromyography is a diagnostic procedure that evaluates the health condition of muscles and the nerve cells that control them. These nerve cells are known as motor neurons. They transmit electrical signals that cause muscles to contract and relax. Electrogastrogram (EGG) is a graphic produced by an electrogastrograph, which records the electrical signals that travel through the stomach muscles and control the muscles' contractions. Electroretinography (ERG) is a test to measure the electrical response of the eye's light-sensitive cells called rods and cones. These cells are part of the retina. Electrooculography (EOG) is a technique for measuring the corneo-retinal standing potential that exists between the front and back of the human eye. The resulting signal is called electrooculogram. Primary applications are in ophthalmological diagnosis and in recording eye movements.